First question is add 24 kilometer 350 meter and 130 kilometer 840 meter. So to add both the quantities, firstly we will arrange them in columns. Write kilometer and meter. So we have 24 kilometer, 350 meter, 113 kilometer, 840 meter. Add them. It will be 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 4, 9, 8 plus 3, 11. Write 1 here and 1 will be carried to the next column. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. 2 plus 1, 3 and 1. So we got 138 kilometer, 190 meter. Now we know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So 138 kilometer 190 meter will be equals to 138 kilometer plus 190 upon 1000 kilometer. When we will convert 190 meter into kilometer, we will divide it by 1000. Now it will be 138 kilometer plus 3 zeros are there, so we will put a decimal before 3 places, means before 1 we will put a decimal, so it will be 0.190 kilometer. So 138 plus 0.190 will be 138.190 kilometer. So the final answer is 138.190 kilometer. In the next question, we have to subtract 67 kilometer 180 meter from 82 kilometer 250 meter. So again, write both the quantities in columns, kilometer and meter. So here it will be 82 kilometer, 250 meter, 67 kilometer, 180 meter. Subtract them. 0 minus 0, 0. Here we have 5, so we cannot subtract 8 from 5. Borrow from this 2. 1 will be left here and it will be 15. So 15 minus 8, 7. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 7, we need to borrow from 8. So it will be 7 left here and here we will get 12. 12 minus 7, 5 and 7 minus 6, 1. Therefore, answer is 15 kilometer 70 meter. Now again we have to convert this into kilometer. So divide 70 by 1000. It will be equals to 15 kilometer plus 070 upon 1000 kilometer. So 15 kilometer plus we have to place a decimal before this 0. So it will be 0.070 kilometer, which will be 15.070 kilometer. Next question is multiply 185 meter 78 centimeter by 9. So firstly we have to convert 185 meter 78 centimeter into meter. So we know 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So to convert 78 centimeter into meter, we have to divide 78 by 100. So it will be 185 meter plus 78 upon 100 meter. Now 185 meter plus, since there are two zeros in the denominator, so we will put decimal two places on the left side. So put decimal before 7, it will be 0.78 meter. After adding, we will get 185.78 meter. Now multiply 185.78 meter by 9. So 9 eights are 72. Write 2 here and 7 will be carried. 9 sevens are 63. 63 plus 7, 70. 7 will be carried here. 9 fives are 45. 45 plus 7, 52. So write 2 here and 5 will be carried. 9 eights are 72. 72 plus 5, 77. So 7 will be written here and 7 will be carried here. 9 ones are 9 and 7, 16. Now as you can see in the question, we have two places after decimal. So put decimal uh, from this left first ones digit, we have to count two digits and then place decimal here before 0. So answer is 1672.02 meter, or we can also write it as 1672 meter and 2 centimeter. Next question is divide 112 hectometer by 92 meter by 6. So let us first convert this 112 hectometer 92 meter into hectometer. So 1 hectometer is equals to 100 meter. So divide 92 by 100 to get answer in hectometer. So 112 hectometer plus 92 upon 100 hectometer. It will be 112 hectometer plus 0.92 hectometer. As two zeros are there, so we will put point before 9. So it will be 112.92 hectometer. Now divide 112.92 by 6. So 6 ones are 6. Subtract 6 from 11, it will be 5. Bring down 2. Then 6 eights are 48. 52 minus 48. 4 are left here. Now you can see here we have decimal, so put this decimal in the quotient and bring down 9. Again 6 eights are 48. 1 is left, bring down 2. So here we got 12. Now 6 twos are 12. Subtract them, 0 will be left here. Therefore answer is 18.82 hectometer. This is the final answer. Next question is two rolls of electric wires contain 80 meter 20 centimeter and 86 meter 56 centimeter of wire respectively. Means length of wire in one roll is 80 meter and 20 centimeter, and in another roll the length of wire is 86 meter 56 centimeter. We have to find out the total length of electric wire in both the rolls. So to find the total length we have to add the length of wires in both the rolls. So let us first write the statement. Length of wire in first roll, it is 80 meter, 20 centimeter. Then length of wire in second roll, it is 86 meter, 56 centimeter. We have to find the total length of wire. It will be equals to 80 meter, 20 centimeter plus 86 meter, 56 centimeter. So firstly arrange them in columns, meter and centimeter, 80 and 20 centimeter, 86 meter and 56 centimeter. Now add them. 0 plus 6, 6, 2 plus 5, 7, 0 plus 6, 6 and 8 plus 8, 16. So we got 16 meter, 76 centimeter. We have to express this result in meters. So to convert this in meter, we have to divide 76 by 100. Here we will get 166.76 meter, because when we will divide 76 by 100, it will be 0.76. So 166 plus 0.76, it will be 166.76 meter. So the answer is total length of wire is equals to 166.76 meter. Next question is, a tailor had 560 meter thread. He used 420 meter 50 centimeter in one day for stitching clothes. How much thread was left after stitching the cloths? So the total thread a tailor had is 560 meter. So out of this 560 meter, 428 meter 50 centimeter thread was used. So we have to find out the thread left. Thread left will be equals to 560 meter minus 428 meter 50 centimeter, because this much thread is used for stitching. So we have to subtract 428 meter 50 centimeter from 560 meter. So total length of thread is equals to 560 meter. Length of thread used is 428 meter 50 centimeter. So we have to find out thread left after stitching. It will be 560 meter minus 428 meter 50 centimeter. So arrange them in column, meter and centimeter. We have 560 meter. Centimeters are not there, so we will write 2 zeros in centimeter column. Then here we have 428 meter and 50 centimeter. Subtract them. So firstly we have to take borrow from meters column. So here we will be having 9 and 5, and here it will be 100. So 100 minus 50, 50, 9 minus 8, 1, 5 minus 2, 3, and 5 minus 4, 1. So it is 131 meter and 50 centimeter. Now we can write it as 131.50 meters. When we will divide 50 by 100, we will get 0.50. So it will be 131 meter 50 centimeter. Therefore, answer is thread left after stitching is equals to 131.50 meter. Next question is the length of cloth required for a pair of trouser and shirt is 4.16 meter. So for one pair of trouser and shirt, 4.16 meter cloth is required. We have to find the length of cloth required for 8 such pairs. So the length required for 8 such pairs will be the product of 4.16 meter and 8. So write the statement: length of cloth required for one pair. It is 4.16 meter. So length of cloth required for 8 pairs, it will be 4.16 meter multiplied by 8. So multiply them, 4.16 and 8. 8 6 are 48, 4 will be carried, 8 ones are 8 and 4, 12, 1 will be carried here, 8 fours are 32 and 1, 33. Now put one decimal before 2 because there are 2 digits after decimal in the question. So answer is length of cloth required for 8 pairs is equals to 33.28 meter. Next question is a cyclist moves at uniform speed. If he can cover 85 kilometers 705 meter in 5 hours, what distance will be covered in 8 hours? So it is given to us that distance covered in 5 hours is 85 kilometers 705 meter. We have to find out distance covered in 8 hours. So to get the distance covered in 8 hours, firstly we have to find out how much distance he covered in 1 hour. So for that we have to divide 85 kilometers 705 meter by 5. Write the statement first. Distance covered in 5 hours, it is 85 kilometer 705 meter, or we can write it as 85.705 kilometer. In kilometer it will be written as 85.705 kilometer. So distance covered in 1 hour, it will be 85.705 kilometer divided by 5. So divide 85.705 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 3 left here. Bring down this 5. 5 sevens are 35. So 35 minus 35, 0. Now we have point here. So put this point in the quotient and bring down 7. 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5, 2. Bring down this 0. 5 fours are 20. So 0 left here. Bring down the last digit, that is 5. 5 ones are 5. So we got distance covered in 1 hour is equals to 17.141 kilometer. Now we have to find out distance covered in 8 hours. So distance covered in 8 hours. It will be the product of 17.141 kilometer and 8, because in 1 hour distance covered is 17.141 kilometer. So distance covered in 8 hours will be 17.141 kilometer multiplied by 8. So multiply both the numbers. 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32, 3 will be carried. 8 ones are 8 plus 3, 11. Write 1 here and 1 will be carried. 8 sevens are 56 and 1, 57. 5 is carried here. 8 ones are 8 and 5, 13. Now put the point before 1, because 3 digits are there after decimal here. So count 3 digits from the this side from 1's place, 1, 2, 3, and put the decimal here before 1. So we got distance covered in 8 hours is 137.128 kilometer. This is the required answer.